Up to this point, the highest level of compounding that we've looked at is compounded daily, which was 365. Now we are looking at something called continuously compounded interest, which is actually always compounded. It's being compounded every instant. So this has its own formula. A is equal to P times E raised to the R times T. Now E is kind of like pi. It's approximately 2.72. And we actually have an E key on the calculator. So we have to press second, and then it's the LN button, which is to the very left of the 4 key. So we're going to be using this formula. We are not going to be using the TVM solver. So number 16 says you invest $500 in an account with continuously compounded interest at 3.2% interest for 6 years. What will be the value of your account after 6 years? So A is equal to 500 times E raised to the 0.032 times 6. So let me type that into my calculator. And we get 605.84. So I'm rounding to the hundredths because we are rounding to the nearest cent. So even though this is compounded every instant of every day, so like every half second this is being compounded, it actually doesn't do that much better than compounded daily. So if you look at question 17, that kind of goes through all of these scenarios. So like simple interest, compounded annually, compounded semi-annually, all the way up to compounded daily and continuously compounded. And the continuous compounded interest actually only gets you like 2 cents more even after like 25 years. So it is better than compounded daily, but actually not by that much.